In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim videos in Google Vids. With the world becoming increasingly digital, sharing your moments or work through video has become a daily routine for many. Sometimes, though, we find our videos could use a little trimming to cut out unnecessary parts or to focus on the best moments. That's where Google Vids comes in, offering a straightforward solution to refine your videos without the need for complex software. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Google Vids. You can easily do this by searching for Google Vids on your preferred browser or by following a direct link if you have one. The website's homepage is designed to be user-friendly, so you should find what you're looking for without a hitch. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. A click on that will initiate the sign-in process. It's a standard procedure. If you've used any Google product before, it will feel familiar. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This is the account you use for all things Google, be it Gmail, Drive, or any other service. Select the account you want to use for Google Vids. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the one where your video is stored, or the one you intend to use for editing purposes. Once you're signed in, it's time to locate the clip you want to trim. If you've already uploaded some clips to Google Vids, navigating through your collection to find the right video should be straightforward. The interface is quite intuitive, so locating your clip should be quick and easy. Finding the video is one thing, trimming it is another. To start trimming your video, look for the edges of the clip in the timeline at the bottom of the editor. These edges are key to the trimming process. You can also go to your video timeline and easily spot where your clip starts and ends. Those are the parts you'll be working with. Once you've identified the edges of your clip, it's trimming time. Click on one edge of the clip. You'll notice that it becomes highlighted, indicating that you can now interact with it. Gently drag this edge sideways to start trimming your video. If you're looking to trim the beginning of the clip, you'll drag the left edge to the right. To trim the end, drag the right edge to the left. This action will effectively shorten your clip, removing unwanted parts and leaving you with the content that you want to keep. As you drag, you will be able to see a preview of your trimmed clip. This gives you a good idea of what the final output will look like. You can adjust as much as you like until you're satisfied with the length of your video. The great part about digital editing is the freedom to experiment. So take your time to get it just right, and there you go. You've successfully trimmed your video using Google Vids. It's a simple process, but it makes a huge difference in the quality and impact of your video. Trimming allows you to focus on the highlights, improve your storytelling, and make your videos more engaging for viewers. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use Google Vids to edit and trim your videos, the more comfortable you'll become with the process. Soon, you'll be trimming and editing like a pro, making each of your videos a perfectly polished gem ready for the world to see. That wraps up our guide on how to trim videos in Google Vids. Whether it's for personal use, work presentations, or social media, knowing how to trim your videos efficiently can greatly enhance the way you share and enjoy digital content. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how a simple trim can transform your videos from good to great. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to experiment, explore, and most importantly, have fun with your video projects.